Hey my loves, welcome to another vlog, and we're still buying money, which is crazy. So the craziest thing happened today, right? I had cash, but I couldn't get an Uber after seeing my client, and I had to enter a bus. So we're all just in the bus looking at the queues at the ATMs and all of that, when I think the person in front transferred money to the driver, and I'm like, driver, I should transfer my own money, and everybody started laughing. But the driver actually took the transfer, and it was really wild to me, because how did we get here that we're transferring money to driver and conductor? Like, it's crazy. But yeah, that's the situation of things in Lagos, Nigeria. Not even Lagos, but like Nigeria generally. You queue for money, you queue for fuel. It's just crazy. But anyway, I came back early from work today because I didn't have money to be spending on irregular worker. So I want to go do my laundry. I haven't done my laundry in like 2 months, and I don't have any clean clothes anymore. So I want to go do my laundry, and yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, let's go. Guys, it's Saturday. I didn't vlog again throughout the week because this week has been a lot, from buying money to traffic. It's been crazy, and I really just wasn't feeling myself, like from after the laundry vlog till this morning. It's really just been a lot, honestly. If you know, if you're in the diaspora, please reach out to your friends in Nigeria and show kindness, because they are going through a lot. Today I have a lot to do. I need to tidy up my room first of all, because the way my head is, that's the way my room is, in a mess. Like, everything is just scattered. I also need to declutter this closet because I have too many things that I'm not using, and I don't want to keep hanging on to them. It's just making the place look really untidy. I want to wash my hair, but I don't know if I want to wash my hair myself or for someone to wash it for me. But I think I'll decide that one later. But first of all, I need to tidy up my room, then take out the things I want to use for content today, because I have a video I need to film. And yeah, but to be honest, I really want to go out. I want to go out. I want to swim, but I also want to go out. But I don't have money because they're not paying me salary. Oh, the struggle. But yeah, let's get into today. So I was trying to film content with these products that I got from Ocean Noir, which they are absolutely amazing, by the way. I had started, and then it was looking cloudy. And trust NEPA now, it took the light. So I cleaned my bathroom. What else did I even do? I cleaned my bathroom and I washed my hair. To be honest, guys, my hair is growing, but I don't think it's growing as good as it should be. It's really breaking. I don't understand why. I don't know why. So please, if you know any treatment, or what can I even call it, treatment or products that I can use for relaxed hair, for breakage, please leave in the comments. If it's a salon that does like breakage treatments and all of that stuff, please let me know. So yeah, there's no lights. I think I'm just going to get something to eat before I can now tackle the rest of my room and what I have to do. But the content is on hold right now, so yeah. Hey guys, good morning. It's Sunday again. Um, yeah, today was actually a bit off. I actually don't know what's going on with the weather. It was gloomy, as in like really gloomy. It's just now that I'm actually seeing the sun, but it was really gloomy, and I was like, before they come and take light again, let me film the content I was trying to film yesterday. What else? I've done my makeup. I didn't want to go to church actually because I was feeling really gloomy. I was on my bed for like good 30 minutes after filming the skincare content, and I just said, you know what, I've been feeling gloomy all week. I might as well just step out and go to church. Maybe that's what I really need. So yeah, I've gotten ready. I just want to film another get ready with me video for TikTok slash IG Reels. I'll be off. I always wake up early on Sundays. I actually do not like to go to church late. I can go for any other thing late, but not to church. But yeah, that's that. What else? How do you guys like my makeup? It's just simple. I didn't want anything too dramatic. Yeah, this is like my easy makeup look. So when I posted the video on my TikTok, I had commenting I should join the workforce. Of course, I know I can join the workforce. Do you understand? But I want a situation where if I'm not around, my absence is felt. Do you understand? This is so big, and even the workforce is actually big. Do you understand? I actually just want a smaller church. What are you doing there? I want a smaller church. I want a church where my presence and my absence is felt. I've been going to Jester for a long time. I don't think anybody has ever given me a call. Even when I said I was like a new person, I have never really gotten a call from anybody from Daystar. So yeah. So yeah, I want a smaller community, and that's what I'm going to get. Let me go get dressed and I'll be off to church. I don't know how I ended up being late since I woke up by 8. Like, I don't know. It's filming. I guess next week I'm not gonna film, but yeah.
Before you got married, you know, okay, let me piggyback. So I used to date someone before when I was in uni, and devoted, you can wait like Anna in temple.
And the reason is that men walk. We like to walk. We like to get things.
Hallelujah. All right. So the second thing for women is that women interpret love by being loved and cared for.
So I just got back from church. And the heat that was doing me, I had to take off my clothes. Then I remembered I needed to film a live update video for you guys. And then I said, okay, let me transfer some of my files because memory on my phone was already low. Before you know it, never have take lights. So as I am, I've already off my jewelry, packed my hair up. I'm taking this off and I'm going to eat, bath and sleep because I cannot come and kill myself. The weather is hot. Everything, see, no, I'm not even going to force it. When this live update video goes up, you people will know about it. But for today, it's cancelled. Immediately I finished bathing, Nepa decided to bring light. These people are jokers. But I can't really be bothered. Well, I'm glad they did so that I can warm my food and warm my cat's food. I've actually run out of food for this cat, but you have to manage what is available. Hey guys, so I made popcorn. Like, I've perfected the art of making popcorn. Before, it used to be really trash, but look, very beautiful, and it's crisp. Like, I will make some to take to work tomorrow. So this one I'm going to do to catch up on YouTube videos, edit my videos for the week. Yeah, that's that. But I wanted to come on here and say something real quick. So yes, the month of February, all the love content, church, social media, whatever. But today in church, pastor was talking about how men and women interpret love, and like the basis of how a man interprets love. And it really just dawned on me that this guy that I love actually did love me back, and it was heartbreaking. Like, I almost cried in church, and it was just really so emotional for me because we're no longer together, sort of. And it was really just painful that, I don't know, he had his own faults, don't even get me wrong, that's another story, or that's a story for another time. But it just made me a bit emotional, happy, and I started to remember all the things he used to do, like sacrifices he would make for me. And yeah, so if you're watching this, you know yourself, if you eventually watch this, just know I really appreciated everything you did for me. And yeah, so that's it for this vlog. I'm going to eat my popcorn, edit my videos, and then go to bed because tomorrow is Monday, start of a new week. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this one. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.